Hello student, let us try to understand work done in isothermal reversible expansion students. So let us have the system student. This is the V1 student, and after the expansion student piston shifted to, that is V2. This is the V2. Student, what you are going to observe here, that the volume increases student, because here it was there earlier. So V1 and V2. What you are going to find here student, V2 greater than V1. Right student? Now work is done by the system. So W is equal to minus P external delta V student. From ideal gas equation student. Ideal gas equation. You must be knowing student ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT student. This is ideal gas equation. So P is equal to nRT by V student. This is there. Now this value we have to put in the equation 1 student. So in equation 1, so W is equal to, we are going to integrate student, minus sign, here is nRT by V and delta V. This will come. अब delta should not be used student because it's small volume change. This is the dV we are considering. अब student, integration of 1 upon x and dx is equal to ln x. This you should know. So many things in this one is common. What are the common? A number of mole is common, R is common, isothermal is there, so T is also common. So integration of what is left student, 1 upon V and dV. So what we are going to do student, this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit student. So here is the nRT and ln, it will come V. This ln V means V1 and V2 student. Here is minus nRT student, and what we can write, ln A by B. Ln A by B is will be the ln A minus ln B. This is there. So we are splitting this one. So ln V2 minus ln V1. What is ln is equal to 2.303 log. So we are putting this one value. So minus 2.303 nRT. What is there? ln V2 student. So it comes now log V2 minus log V1. Log A minus B. Log A minus log B. Log A by B. So it will split 2.303 nRT log V2 upon V1. So this is work done, reversible process. Right student? Suppose student, the same things if we are finding in the term of the what pressure. So P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So P1 by P2 is equal to V2 by V1. So this value we are going to split here. So W reversible minus 2.303 nRT log P1 upon what is there student, P2. Now the next same things we are going to understand in case of this one. Work done in isothermal reversible compression. So when you are compressing, student, work is done on the system. So W should be, suppose this one is V1 is there, student, V2 is going to be here, V2. So it is changing. This is the dV, student. So volume here, if you see V1 greater than V2, so W is equal to P external positive dV. We are going to integrate P external dV from ideal gas equation. Here is lower limit, what is there? V2 and V1 is there, student. For PV is equal to nRT, P is equal to nRT by V. We are plugging this value here. V2 V1 nRT by V dV. nRT are common, student, so we are taking outside. Here is lower limit, upper limit, 1 by V dV. So it is going to be ln nRT V2 V1. Acha, 1 by V dV, this is same thing. Now you know, student, 1 by x dx is equal to ln x. So we will write like that, nRT, this sign has to be removed now. What will come, student? ln P ln P. Unintegrating it will give delta V. So nRT ln V means what, student? ln, which value is more, student? V1 is more compression, V1 minus V2. So if you are taking nRT ln V1 minus ln V2, this one, ln is equal to, you know, student, 2.303 log. So here is 2.303 nRT log V1 upon V2. This is, so earlier you will find that is, it was the V2 upon V1. See here, but here is what is you are finding, it is the V1 upon V2, and that too the sign is positive sign. Now from Boyle's law you can apply in terms of pressure. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So what we are doing, we are bringing here V1, so V1 by V2 is equal to P2 by P1. We are plugging the value here. So V is equal to 2.303 nRT log P2 by P1. So in terms of pressure, it will be the positive terms, P2 by P1. So this is very simple. Work done in free expansion. Work done in free expansion. Free expansion means no external pressure. No external pressure. You can say vacuum. So P external is equal to 0. So W is equal to P external delta P, 0 into delta P, it is going to be. So work done in free expansion is 0, students. So this is all about the work done, student. Thank you very much for watching.